Tired of dry hair, even after trying all those hair products available in the market? You're not alone. Dry hair is a common issue, often caused by heat styling, environmental factors, or even genetics. But fear not, nature has got your back. Natural ingredients can work wonders for your hair, offering hydration and nourishment without any harsh chemicals. So, are you ready to discover 5 incredible homemade hair masks that could be the secret to your hair's health and shine? Well, the answer might be in your kitchen, not your bathroom cabinet. First up, we have the avocado and honey hair mask. This is a simple yet effective recipe that you can whip up in your kitchen. Start by mashing up a ripe avocado until it's smooth. Then mix in a generous drizzle of honey. This creates a rich, creamy blend that's ready for your hair. Apply this mask evenly to your hair, making sure every strand is saturated. Once it's on, give it 15 to 20 minutes to work its magic. Then, rinse it off with warm water. The star ingredients, avocado and honey, are powerhouses for dry hair. Avocado is packed with vitamins and fatty acids that nourish and moisturize your hair. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural humectant, which means it seals in the moisture and adds shine. This mask not only hydrates your hair but also leaves it soft and shiny. Trust me, your hair will thank you for this sweet treat. Next, we have the banana and yogurt hair mask. This mask is a simple yet effective solution for dry and damaged hair. Let's jump right into the recipe. Start by blending 1 ripe banana until it becomes a smooth paste. Then add in 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt and mix until well combined. Once your mask is ready, apply it to your hair, making sure to cover from root to tip. You'll want to leave this mask on for about 20 to 30 minutes to allow the nutrients to penetrate deep into your hair strands. Now let's talk benefits. Bananas are rich in potassium, natural oils, and vitamins, which help soften the hair and protect its natural elasticity, preventing split ends and breakage. Yogurt, on the other hand, is packed with proteins and is a natural conditioner. It works to smooth the hair, leaving it shiny and hydrated. This mask will help repair your damaged hair and restore its natural moisture. Thirdly, we have the coconut oil and aloe vera hair mask. This soothing combination is made by simply mixing together equal parts of coconut oil and aloe vera gel. Once you've created this harmonious blend, apply it generously to your hair, making sure to cover every strand from root to tip. Now, patience is key here. Let the mask sit and work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. This waiting period allows the mask to deeply penetrate the hair shaft, ensuring maximum hydration. After the time is up, rinse it out thoroughly. So why this mask? Well, coconut oil is a renowned moisturizer packed with fatty acids that nourish and soften your hair. Aloe vera, on the other hand, is a natural conditioner that promotes scalp health and prevents itching. Together, these ingredients create a powerhouse mask that not only hydrates your hair, but also promotes a healthy scalp. Lastly, we have the egg and olive oil hair mask. This is a simple yet highly effective recipe. Begin by cracking open an egg and beating it until it's frothy. Next, blend it with a healthy pour of olive oil. Once you've got a smooth mixture, it's time to apply it to your hair. Be sure to cover from root to tip for the best results. Then let it work its magic for around 20 minutes before rinsing off. This mask is a game changer. The egg is a powerhouse of protein, vital for hair strength, while olive oil, rich in vitamins A and E, imparts a dazzling shine. This mask will not only moisturize your hair, but also make it stronger and shinier. So there you have it. We've walked through 5 fabulous homemade hair masks, each harnessing the power of natural ingredients. We started with the rich, nourishing avocado and honey mask, perfect for deep conditioning. Then, we moved on to the banana and yogurt mask, which works wonders on brittle hair. Our third mask was the coconut oil and aloe vera blend, a hydration powerhouse. And lastly, we explored the protein-packed egg and olive oil mask that strengthens and revitalizes. Remember, the health of your hair begins with what you put into it. These masks are a testament to the power of nature in maintaining luscious, hydrated hair. Say goodbye to dry hair and hello to nourished, hydrated locks. Don't forget to try these masks and let us know how they work for you. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.